Hey, it's Erin. So you're thinking of competing, but you're not sure where to start. Well, let's start from square one and kind of get all the facts squared away, and then it'll be easier for you to figure out what kind of shows you want to do and in what kind of time frame. I think it's really important to get the objective stuff out of the way and really know where you're going as far as your physique goals and what you want to accomplish in a tangible sense before you decide to get up on stage in a very subjective environment. Starting from the very beginning, take a look at your physique or have someone take a look at your physique. You can do this with progress pictures, so make sure you take a picture of yourself from the front, side, and back, or have someone that you really trust who has experience in the industry to take a look at you while you're hitting certain poses. This is going to give you a really great starting point to see how much muscle you have and to know kind of what division you might be aiming for. If you're just starting out and you're brand new to lifting, keep in mind that it can take at least 2 or 3 years to build enough muscle to get on stage. So it's really not possible to gain muscle really quickly and then go through a diet. That newly formed muscle is going to just come right off. So you want to give yourself enough time and be patient with yourself to sculpt your masterpiece, because competing, I think, is art, and it should be something that you take your time with, that you have your end goal in mind, and you're not just haphazardly just throwing mass on for the sake of it, that you're taking time and putting the exercise on your shoulders, which makes the waist look smaller, and you're balancing from top to bottom. So being able to objectively look at those pictures and know how long you've been training and know how long it takes you to put on muscle is going to be really helpful. Take a look at the different federations, and within those federations, take a look at each division. So educate yourself just a little bit on what type of look they're going for. You can go NPC, it's the largest organization, but if you're a lifetime natural athlete and that's really important to you, know that it's not drug tested. If you're going for a drug tested federation, know that you don't get the types of crowds and the type of exposure that you really need to build a brand. So it's kind of a toss-up in that sense. And then the different divisions, the different posing and the different requirements. That's important because posing and presentation should suit your personality. And if it doesn't, if it's something that you're not really fond of, then you're not going to do as well. Take a look at the musculature, take a look at, the different federations, see where you want to go, as an end goal. Is it something that you want to do to build a brand? If so, then you should choose a larger federation. Is it something you just want to do for yourself? Is it really important if you're a lifetime natural athlete to train and to compete with other lifetime natural athletes? Then go with a natural federation. So it's going to require a little bit of research. And then once you've gotten that part, then just choose a show. I think it's important to not wait until the time is right. So if you have a good amount of muscle, you've been training for a while, you want to do a show, but you're scared, that is actually a good thing. I don't think, if you're physically ready, don't wait, just do it. Pick a show. Don't tell the world about it. Tell your closest friends and get ready for that show. And if you're relatively lean, you shouldn't need more than 8 weeks to do it. So plan something local, something you don't have to travel a long way for. If you haven't told the world about it, then there's not this huge pressure on you. You're just gonna go and kind of get your starting point and see how it goes. Get somebody to help you with posing, or go online, watch some YouTube videos on posing, because a lot of us focus on the prep and the training, and we don't really think about the suits and the hair, the makeup, the posing, all that is the icing on the cake. And if your presentation, your suit, your tan, hair, makeup, if applicable, is on point, then you can a lot of times beat out someone who is in better condition but just doesn't present well. So it's a whole process. Don't get overwhelmed with it. determine what your starting point is in an honest fashion. Do your research, figure out federations and divisions, just diet, just get in good condition, that's it. And work on your presentation. That's pretty much it. So get out there and do it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click that little bell. You'll be the first to know whenever a new video comes out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, train hard, y'all.